What do we do? My brother. You know we saw what do we do? Are we foreigners? Are we foreigners or what? Why? What do the NDC government doing? Why are we foreigners or what? We are not going to move anywhere. We are Ghanaians and we are supposed to be somewhere. We are not moving. We are not moving. This is class. We are not moving. Let's go. Please let's go. Hey, they should take me to Sawan. Oh, they should take me to Sawan. Hello, bro. Nobody will handcuff you. Nobody will handcuff you. Why is that? Nobody will handcuff you. Why? How do you take it? Nobody. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I'm asking. You were saying talk like that. Calm down. You push me there. We are going to the gate. Are we for the gate? What did happen with the Saka? Hey, please fire. I need to go out to make you happy. Oh, I may be too much at the time. You all are the same citizen. So who can destroy what is worrying me is that Officer, let's go to this side. No, Mr. Isi said we should go to this side. No, you can grant your interview over there. Yes, please. Hey.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sir,
Hi.
do you remember our conversation before you entered?
Which is what?
You promised me an interview.
All right. You say what? Yeah, wait, I don't mind. I don't mind. It's not. It's
Anyway,
just
so
about
your visibility.
Great pillar of the
In 2 words, could you describe Daddy Lumba to us?
a legend. I mean, by every standard.
Okay.
His impact will be lasting, and I think his works definitely will outlive him. Generations of Ghanaians will definitely come and even acknowledge the immaculateness of his works. And so he's definitely one of a kind. I do not think that we'll have his kind again in this country in a very long time. He's one person whose works transcended almost every circumstance and all times, from a funeral party, joyful moments, and what have you. And so really, his impact to a nation is very, very huge. And as I said, I'm sure will last forever. And Ghanaians, whether born or unborn, will definitely come to acknowledge the strength and the value of the person that we are mourning today. So it's very, very sad. And for me, on a personal note, he was my neighbor. I live just about 30 meters away from him. I live just around the corner.
Wow,
So we lost a very good neighbor. We can only pray that the heavens will open their gate and welcome him.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. We are not privy to any charges prepared against Chairman Utu. So we will have to have patience for them to finish with the investigation and forward the charges to us, and also file witness statements involved. And you know that the procedure now is for them to disclose every exhibit or every evidence they want to rely on to us to aid us in our preparation of the possible cross-examination to happen when we have gone to court. But before then, let me put it on record that Chairman to me is for now on police inquiry bail. He's been granted bail properly. And let me also disabuse people's minds of the propaganda that we have tried to control the dictations, the meetings, and also we are dragging our feet and coming to or responding to invitations. This is not correct. This is not right. In all cases where Chairman Utu has been invited, we have always shown presence. We have always cooperated with investigators. We have always provided whatever information we have. We have always provided documents that we also have. And except that on 1 or 2 occasions to do that. So it is incorrect to anybody to suggest that we have been lukewarm to the invitations from the Director General's office. I know that the Director General works for the Attorney General in terms of prosecution. So I consider the discourse between my good self or my office and the Director General's office as equally by extension to the Attorney General's office. So I am sure there was some communication gap that resulted in this impasse. But I want to express my disappointment in the warning that the refusal to defer the meeting. The warning was that it should Chairman Utu fail to appear. He will order the arrest of Chairman Utu to appear. Indeed, we don't need to unnecessarily increase the political temperature in the country. We have not at any point in time decided or refused to respond to invitations. And you see, the law is also that anybody, accused person or a suspect, ought to be given adequate time, preparation, and even resources to be able to prepare his defense to any charges prepared against him. And then let us also not forget that accused person is not considered guilty until proven so, and therefore he has to have the right to his civil liberties. Indeed, when we go to the court, the bail, police inquiry bail continues up to the point that the charges are filed in court, and then we make an application to the court for the bail to continue. And we will justify that with our
performance super, all the time will be very, and also capacity of him as a person, and a very known character, and somebody of substance in society. And
presumption of innocence. So anyone who has been accused of doing something, unless the person has been proven guilty, the person is still innocent. So as lawyers, we are here to show that indeed our client is innocent.
Why is your client here?
He's been invited. I think the content of the petition is public knowledge. I think we are all aware why he's here, about certain allegations that have been made against him, flowing from the act of force and trial. And as I said, I don't want to go into the contents of the petition as of now. It's a matter of public knowledge, and through our discussions, we are going to know what the police thinks about it and also the way forward. But all we are saying is that we are here to support him and we are here to prove his innocence.
What do we know so far? What has happened?
We just came. We are now going to start the conversation. I'm sure from there we can brief you better.
What has the reception been like?
I think so far, I just got here. A couple of my colleagues got here earlier. So speaking for myself and those I came with, I think so far it's been so good. We are still following the regular processes. Thank you.